Good morning, students. Welcome to the online classes of Leal Public School. How are you? Hope you all are good at home and enjoy your classes. Student, yesterday I have taught you about numbers and their names. Hope you practice it at home. Today I am going to start a new topic of this chapter, which is greater than, less than, and equals to. Now, in this exercise, we are going to learn how to comparing number. When we put two numbers side by side to see which is smaller or larger, we are comparing numbers. When we compare two numbers, the first number can be either larger, smaller, or equal to the second number. When comparing, the first number can also be smaller or less than the second number. Imagine you have 5 gummy bears in one hand and 3 gummy bears in the other hand. Which hand has more gummy bears? That's right, the one with 5 gummy bears has more. That's because 5 is bigger than 3. Is that clear? Now we see some more example in our book. Okay, so our first example is which set has more marbles? Set A or set B? Count them. Set A 1, 2, 3, 4. In set A 4 marbles are there. Set B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. How many marbles in set B? 6 marbles. Okay. So which is more? B. Set B have more marbles. Okay. We use greater than sign to represent more. ये जो sign है ना बेटा, ये किसका sign है? Greater than का sign है. Okay. So this sign is called greater than sign and we use for more things. Okay. Set B has more marbles than set A. Set B has 2 more marbles than set A. Set B के पास कितनी more marbles है? 2. So 6 is greater than 4. Is that clear? Okay. Now next example. Which set has less ball? Which set has less ball? किस set A और set B में से किसके पास कम balls है? Is that clear? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 balls in set A and set B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set B have 5 balls. So how many balls are left? Less 2. We use less than sign to represent less. Okay? We use less than sign to represent less. Set B has less ball than set A. Set B has 2 less ball than set A. So 5 is smaller than 7. Is that clear? Now next, compare the beats in set A and set B. अब हमें क्या करना है? हमें compare करना है set A and set B में. Set A has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set A have 5 beats. Okay. Set B also have 5 beats. Set A and set B have equal beats. देखो equal है ना? नहीं तो ना तो किसी में ज्यादा है और ना तो किसी में कम है. दोनों सेट्स में इक्वल बीट्स हैं. सेट A has many beats as set B. Set B has many beats as set A. So 5 equals to 5. We use equal to sign represent is equal to. This sign is called equal to. This sign is called less than sign and this sign is called greater than sign. Is that clear? Now, how many wheels does each vehicle have? How many wheels does each vehicle have? Okay. Bicycle. How many wheels in bicycle? 2. 2 wheels. Is that clear? Bus, 4 wheels. And auto rickshaw. How many wheels in auto rickshaw? 6. Sorry, 3. 3 wheels. Okay. And car. How many wheels in a car? 4. Okay, now turn your page. Now it's time to do exercise of this chapter. Exercise 3. Count and write the numbers of object. Take the set that has more object. सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना है, हमें सेट ए और सेट बी के जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स दिए हैं उनको काउंट करके लिखना है, दैट आफ्टर हमें उनको टिक करना है विच इज मोर. ओके, नाउ लुक एट दिस. Set A. How many leaves in one row? 1, 2, 3. 3 leaves in a one row. So what we write here? 3. We write 3 here. Now second, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In a second row, 6 leaves are there. So what we write here? 6. Okay. Now who is more? 6 or 3? 6. So we take on 6. Is that clear? Next, set B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 heads in a one row. So what we write here? Wait. 5. So what we write here? 5. Now in second row, 1, 2. How many heads in second row? 2. So what we write here? 2. And which is more? 5 or 2? Yes, 5. Very good. Okay, is that clear? Now moving to the next question. Yes. Read and draw. आपको क्या करना है? Read करना है और draw करना है. Count and then write more or less. Write more or less. Is that clear? Remember to count correctly and draw neatly. आपको क्या करना है? ये याद रखना है कि आप correctly draw करो और अच्छे से count करो और neatly draw करो. Is that clear? Okay. Now triangles. 3 triangles or 5 triangles. आपको क्या करना है? यहाँ पे 3 triangles draw करने हैं और यहाँ पर आपको 5 triangles draw करने हैं. And which is more and which is less? Count them. First of all, we draw it. सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना है? हमें यहाँ पर draw करने हैं. Okay? We draw 3 triangles here and 5 triangles here. And which is more? Yes, tell me. Which is bigger? Number 3 or 5? Yes, 5. 3 is less than 2, 5. Okay. So what we write here? We write less here and more here. Okay, because 5 is bigger than 3 now. So 5 is more and 3 is less. Now second is 5 rectangles and 2 rectangles. 5 rectangles and 2 rectangles. Which is more? 5 is more now? Yes. So what we write here? More. M-O-R-E. More. More means ज़्यादा or less means कम. So what we write here? Less. And what he say? This boy say what? Remember to count correctly and draw neatly. आपको अच्छे से count करना है और neatly draw करना है. Okay. Now moving to the next question. Yes. Look at the given sets and fill in the blanks. Set A and set B. Okay. So first of all we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6 kites in set A. So what we write here? 6. Now second, set B. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many kites in set B? 4. So what we write here? 4. Okay. Set A has 2 more kites than set B. Set A के पास set B से कितनी ज्यादा kites हैं? 2 more kites. Okay. So 6 is more than 4 because 6 is more than 4. So what we write here? 4. 6 is more than 4. Is that clear? Now next is moving to the next question. B. Yes. Set A. How many apples in set A? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 apples in set A. So what we write here? 5. Okay. Now next, set B. How many apples are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 apples in set B. So what we write here? 7. Set A has less apple than set B. How many apples? Less than set B? 2. Set A has 2 less apples than set B. 2 is less than, sorry, 5 is, wait a second, yes, 5 is less than 7. Okay, is that clear? Less than and more than. So students, we will meet in next meeting. Till then you practice it. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.